Grabe, ang tagal na since our last reunion kaya this year ako na ang magdadala ng dessert. Madali lang pero for sure sobrang sarap. Naalala ko favorite ng lahat ang fruit salad and syempre gagamitin ko ang angel condensada para creamy at tamang tamis. And you know what? 2-in-1 na siya so no need for two separate products. Sobrang sulit. You can also save up to 40 pesos compared to buying separate cream and condensed milk. So sobrang sulit talaga. At dahil dyan, hindi lang salad ang gagawin natin. We will also be making a fruit salad graham bar. But the fruit salad muna, just combine all of your ingredients, fruit cocktail, at gumamit lang pala ako ng nata also to add. And of course, ang star ng ating recipe, angel condensada. Transfer to a container and let it chill for at least an hour overnight for best results. For the fruit salad graham bar, start with a layer of graham crackers, add in your fruit salad mixture, and top with another layer of graham crackers and you're all set. Freeze overnight, slice into squares, and serve cold. Ganito kasarap at kasaya ang Pasko with Angel. Madali, masarap at madiskarte. Just proofs na for your Christmas recipes, Angel is all you need. Ikaw, anong Angel recipe mo ngayong Pasko?
Merry Christmas!